time to get ready for our dinner. I didn't plan that much catching something, but by accident I catch a big eel. So we're gonna try to make Japanese grilled eel with soya reduction. And I also have a lot of things to grill tonight. Let's see. So today's episode is more about Japanese Yakitori grill, which I've been using a few years already in a restaurant. I really wanted to try it out outside and outdoors. So today is the day. It's time to make a fillet of eel, which I catch today. Some crushed tomato salad with sesame oil, and just prepare our all ingredients. So it's our crushed cucumber salad. Now it's time to put some salt, sesame oil and some sesame seeds and leave it to marinate for 1 hour. So that's the fillet of the eel. I mix with the reduction of soy sauce, and now we're gonna marinate for at least 20 minutes and then grill on our yakitori. For the first round in the grill is paprika Padron. Just gonna grill it and just gonna mix it with the salt. It's gonna be a great snack. That's amazing. That's so good. Let's taste the Padron. Really good. Smoky flavor from the grill. Amazing. Let's try now some seafood. That's our round number 2. That's Norwegian langoustines. It will give smoky flavor. So small pieces of the wood been soaked before, so they just now giving smoke while I'm giving some power to my grill to grill faster langoustines. Our friends watching basketball, I'm gonna try our grilled langoustine with soya glaze. Wow, that's really good. This one is just with garlic butter. Smells amazing. Let's see how it looks. Wow. I'm almost finishing our dinner. So it's time to grill our Kabayaki. That's the catch of the day. The eel marinated in Kabayaki sauce. It is almost my soya glaze. I'm just gonna grill it non-stop, glazing more and more of the sauce, and I'm hoping that will be good because it took a while to make a fillet fish and catch it. Oh my god, our Kabayaki looks amazing. I already can smell how good it will be. So really happy that today I catch that eel. Looks amazing, guys. Was a lot of food, guys. So our eel, grilled eel, Kabayaki, was a great success. I really enjoy it. So next time if I'll catch eel, I know what to do now, and I'm guessing you guys also. Recipes I'll post on my Instagram account. So after a whole day, time to drink some beer and stay in a bubble bath. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.